the same case where we are using the but, the word but is a preposition. When used as a preposition and except. But and except are the only exception to the set gerund. Previously we have seen a gerund role, and but and except are the only exception to the set gerund when they are used as a preposition. The word but and except, or when we use it as a preposition, it is an exception for the set gerund rule. They take bare infinitives after they. They are not followed by gerund. The verb cannot follow gerund. It takes bare infinitives after they. We have to use only bare infinitives after they. But as a preposition, but means except. Here, while you are using the word but as a preposition, it means except. The word but is not here conjunction. It is used as a preposition. When you use the word but as a preposition, it means except or with the exception of the meaning. While it is using the word but as a preposition, it means except or with the exception of. Rule number 2. But is very seldom a preposition. Usually it is a coordinate conjunction. The word but is a coordinate conjunction. Very seldom a preposition. Everyone ate chicken but wrong. Here the word but is used as a preposition, that means except. We use but as an alternate to except. Everyone ate chicken except wrong. Let us see another example in next class. Thank you.